concerning has in paying for any
NSA meeting,
Yes. Yeah, say omo a meeting. Na omo find it out. And she share a bit Miyama has at least a bonny games ever the Accra Sports Stadium. And sana the school championship na CAF Eddie Amagana saying hosting a Ebekoso Ewo Legon Stadium no. You boy then they can return to the Legon Stadium. But Rich, you see, say no cre say venue no ne saga no affected has a performance in the then it is worth discussing say empenyimfo no omanyo mu nyoma yie
as in has empenyimfo.
Yes, because matesa opare ka say omu miti NSC emo mu gitum so ometima babo Accra Sports Stadium. Then later NSC omo ye their friend security audit. And until then omo inform her say game na ye gia to say metima bebo no. Mu betima ba bebo. But I used to born behind closed doors. So has also thought say nations club bia only ni be share mpempre a big game. Enti ye ko born behind closed doors ye nya hwe mfrimu de. And nke de be ko tuba na at least ye nya ska kakra ye so ya tete ekoso. Now Rich me issue nie. Enti are we saying say enu a game na ekoso no based on attendance of House of Folk games, the NSA couldn't have given just one stance.
I'm on a Accra Sports Stadium.
And Sagasadi any possible. Mijidison negotiation a bit, Mama. Who say possible. But the way the decisions were, I say, penentem, I say, scattered information. As a obia nimra obe cool it down to go through a meaningful negotiation. Mantias ye. And to say no cresa coach watana or coach boys and say we were affected by the roaming of the venue now. Then a young man can of my course and you'll be phobia. Number 2. Rich. Meaning say one who see na bana about to goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. And we're not standing. And Bibian just said, "Home,
Bibian,
Adentia." Is it a case of say contractor house in the sign, a long-term contract, and now they think so with the house platform when your blasters are done, you be say extending the contract now house it me owning year. Send a bear say value being poor about brand and one has a bit to me and yes for so and has will make that move because Rich in the last 10 years there is no local clubber and Lucy the top players for free actually House of Folk.
Sure. For Kwabena,
Thomas Abe,
yeah.
Kizito,
Come Kizito,
Vincent. I think we can mention a lot of the players. Has a Luciomo, a baby for free, a bit for peanuts because I got 3 months, I got 2 months. And he has probably will want to learn from that. But Rich, who's the Saturday we discuss for Kotoko? And I
say, especially keepers no Koba. Now be a problem.
Because Rich, almost so Koba. National team no so better than almost so bargaining power. She Nancy omo your Facebook no. Omenya the benefit. Nancy one video Blasters #1 goalkeeper. Or take trotro front. So okohinyo. And nkofo obi atwa dia beto social media. So we on Facebook aba benya sa video na hwe. Nancy after Blasters. Yeah.
You so obe big boy.
Obi
trotro
front.
And video ni.
Yes. and say obi who ni bia say Benjamin Asare trotro mbia obi twa no
obesere no
because e news na utie sound na free ade na chiri bara because hey your blasters here no more one goalkeeper no or trotro me now Rich you see I am not mocking the guy but I'm saying saying na sitting mutie and all of a sudden why blasters number 1 so from onoso interest what do you think onoso beka se monye mame nti
mama mis come talk abi mame
what you say mun hwe me yie
o say baby amedu fafa trotro ne ade bi
what you say
yeah
nti from has interest to nail Abrante any down senior beya the value being added to him as a national team goalkeeper no has benya so for so any Abrante also thinking say the destiny is changing and that he needs an improvement in the onyano when those things clash especially when team no so ense na nisika bebre no Rich na ye baba benya another situation and maminka sasem way we are not depending on rumors but Rich if the ecosystem is anything to go by me no nyina nim say Benjamin Asare or stance in him has play competitive games. The next Blasters call up, he will not be called.
Sure.
Even though he's number 1. So has Aaron and say on your bench and I say on cut him the humpa. Rich, there is no way he will be called to the Blasters again. Then now we go to situation maybe. Until BBO Hobiano, they should find a way and deal with it. Masama make a chat. Look, Sasemu Makasa, Rich, has recruitment on me. The process they went about with Omu recruitment has do not have a team that can win the Ghana Premier League.
And no chances pa. Begging chances. Chances are sebi. We grab Jambo Boachi, mention it simple. No Premier League player, no ascend.
Rich. Enra, what was the moment that won the game? Razak Simpson moment. Moment, you know. Nations it me CZ moment, you know, because of one quality player. But a quality in the winning matches. It's moments, remember. When the moments come, you need the quality to seize the moment. That is the reason why Manchester team no but try can say man you team in but Bruno Fernandes is quality. Because Eddie as a Man U bobo na there will be moments in the game for Man U. And so a quality player, you stand up to be counted. And no more than nations winning our hands over Arsenal. It is just one moment from Razak Simpson. And no, I don't know. Nations are winning. Me Busao has the team near the OCC. Who is their game changer? When now say has a good game more. Ubet me a bunny dear kase sakwawi. Obe change game na ma has. Say moment be about game ni wa. Or ye two exceptional say obe stand out and win. Unya bi. Say to say ko ye. We all know say before we move it to us. I don't know about watch it. Omo. Enti okoye no. Wako kemu ase wako tom. You don't see him standing out. Has mentioned Hussein. Why be Mukana has Ebo Bomudin? Me, I don't want to mention the players. Kabina Boateng, Shanki Kimo.
Obi Betron say. Obi
Bonidi as well. Bonidi and Rich. I did and fine. That's why I want it. I think money.
Oh, there be the Fiifi. O mama bomu de so mfa. Se Kabina Boateng so mfa.
Senior one back on mfa.
Kabina Boateng so mfa. O mama ka mfa. Even Mauli wa ya wadane has. Messiah. She no a chance be
we pa no say no.
Nti me there. You see, sometimes no krebu o ha ne kano. Ya ba o kan ntema e ma ho to. Rich me say come house of folk in here. Right from the way has a go about on recruitment process. And Kamel lower me expectations on us. It was slow, na a bazaar.
Just and Oman to
Oman Timian top players papa na they were available on the market. Mete stadium Kotoko game here against Brekum Chelsea. And I mean Jonah Tukwe. Formerly of Lagos City.
Legon, yeah.
Jonah Tukwe to kind by. Rich. Obi obo Lagos cities. No oba no na Lagos City person must sign in the BM. And wow no say Lagos cities financially they are not strong. Busa ho say then na Jonah Tukwe rich. Etimi a sign kind. Eko sign ma Brekum Chelsea. Such a quality player. What cheer the Bobo Ghana League in him. And the moment he became available, and has to take him up. And I don't really know how recruitment Nama has. A problematic rich. Me has team no. So me Premier League na me na. Now me compare almost to contenders now in terms of individual players. Rich.
Has a problem. It is my own Manchester United. It's not like Togo is not spending. No. He's spending, but I'm
spending at the wrong.
And every year, as I'm coming, you didn't has recruitment in Koye. Has recruitment in
Koye. Me very surprised at how Hearts have turned out. Honestly speaking. Mekai, you have started season in Meko Stadium. And Michia has a phobia of bang and penny for one power. In fact, I remember one time, myself we make radio for the very first time. Many Zando Jinaona Alaji Akambi any honorable dote. Ibisa I say he for no coach ben no fanembra as a coach. Ya Bob Black Stars game maybe. And me Kaiser me catch honorable Vincent Odoto say was say. There are solid coaches in this country. Satano can't Mengo, no fee bechemo.
No.
Ukansi Mengo was a big chip, and this is a coach with this second experience. Onim yetere ni. That time no. Not Sama text mo and your margin say they were going to let in on Nurudu Namadu. No. We're good coaches there. Mikai Pass and Mikache Honorable say they are solid coaches, especially the young ones can't warn them. Give them the job. DNA support a sneaker. Which, to be very honest with you, me Makawaha. And I hate that I'm being proved right. Abu Bakar Watara, any hearts of folk manager coach level. You can't go and become sporting director for a club in North Africa. And yet, the administrative job, bro. And me can't tell me say you. What are you telling me? The beer there is an excuse. The beer there is an excuse. The beer is an excuse, and they're excusing because
they change of venue.
Granted, but other games are not Mulusune. Other games are not Mulusune. So for me, there's a real problem with Hearts of Folk. The money, like you are saying, it's not going to the right place.
How's the problem? You bet me in the house of coaching is when players say you're begging child, no,
the problem, and my body permission. I think that those people need to take responsibility. Senema Koya, Honorable Vincent Odote will take a lot of glory.
But you see, you bet me they are called SWA coach, because Rich in the setup of us, coach, and they're the leader of the sporting project. Apart from the sporting project, yes, there's an issue with more commercial Nyoma because as I said, any sponsors be brilliant. But Anya Shukani and Tese has the car on 20 players can those things in TNT. Into business wise, infrastructure wise, has is okay. Into say sports in India, then the leader of the sporting project will be blamed. And to say, although they can be say if they are not even helping you to get in the right place in the idea, then you must tell them. And also to me about when Tebeka say, me pay way. And look, that is what Fifi is mentioning. Ebimo say Hearts will pay for how they dealt with Samuel Boadu. And it will take years for them to realize they make a mistake. That is one point. Number two, Fifi is saying, they are very, very good coaches on the Ghanaian scene. What those people will bring is their knowledge on the Ghanaian footballers.
Yaman call us in now. I want to make sure my 3220 83581 83582 83583. Momra na yamfa mo call so no hello.